Hi cello players. Today we're going to talk about the notes on the C string. So the first note that we have is 0 fingers down on C. That's your lowest string, the very bottom one. And when we look at C on the music staff, we can see that there are 2 ledger lines, and the C, the note goes around the bottom. The next note that we have is 1 finger down on the C string, and this is called D. When we look at the note on the music staff, you can see there's only 1 ledger line, and the D sits right below it. Now let's move on to the note E. For E, we're going to put 3 fingers down on the C string, and on the music staff you can see once again there's only 1 ledger line, but E goes around that ledger line. And our final note on the C string in first position is F. This is 4 fingers down on the C string. And when we look at F on the music staff, you can see it sits right underneath. So, just to hear those notes right in order, we have C,